Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want Google to index your pages properly, track search performance, fix SEO issues and submit sitemaps for your Lovable website, you must connect it to Google Search Console. In 2026, this connection is essential for SEO and most problems come from choosing the wrong property type or verifying ownership incorrectly. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Google Search Console in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common Google Search Console setup problems like sites not verified, pages not indexed, ownership verification failed, or sitemap rejected, or SEO changes not reflected on Google. So first thing first, choose the right property type. So this is very important. So go to Google Search Console, okay, add property, okay. You will see two options. Option A, domain property, and tracks all versions like HTTPS or HTTP or www or non-www subdomains. Choose domain, enter your domain, for example your domain.com. This is the best choice for Lovable sites. Verify domain ownership via DNS. So after choosing domain property, Google will ask you for DNS verification. Google gives you a TXT record. Copy the TXT value exactly. Now go to your DNS provider, okay, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Cloudflare, okay. So type TXT host name, okay, value and TTL. Do not modify the TXT value, okay. So wait 1 to 10 minutes, okay, sometimes up to 24 hours. Then go back to Google Search Console, click verify. Once verified, the property is active, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.